Oh,
Iya, repeat after me. Sempak kendor.
Sempak kendor.
Iya, very good.
Yay!
Wih,
Performance by
what's your name, Bang? I lupa. I forget. Hah? What?
Nave.
Na-
What
na-
is your name?
Oh, Nave. My name is Korek
Yeah.
Tokai.
Korek Tokai.
Yeah, Korek Tokai. Tuh, I write in the chat box.
Nice name.
Is it any war over there? Ah?
Yes, I'm always prepared, you see.
Oh,
Got
iya. Senjata ente tuh
no,
biasa buat.
no one messes with me.
Oh,
They know I'm in big trouble.
war with Hamas, Bang. Yeah. You war with
Yes,
Hamas.
yes.
Oh, iya
Yes,
dah.
they have all that. But they don't mess with me.
Weh.
They heard everybody in Hamas, if you ask them, they heard, do not mess with Nave the killer.
Waduh.
That's my name.
Oh, PT Kile, PT Kile. Sini lu dipukulin Kopassus juga lu bonyok. Don't war again. Ceasefire. Dar. Sending roket. Jangan. Don't sending roket, Bang. Not good. Because people will die. Civilian
Yes,
people.
right.
You support us?
Apa?
Palestine.
Apa?
You
Support?
support us or Palestine?
Wah, Israel, penjajah terbaik. Israel, penjajah. Israel, teroris. Mantap, jiwa. Israel, payah. Mantap. What are you doing outside? Ngapain?
I'm here with my friend.
Oh, with your friend. Barbecue.
Yeah.
Barbecue no sono pakai roket Hamas no. Be careful. Don't war. Yeah. With Hamas ente. Ntar muka ente gosong.
I have a question, but I want you to answer like really, okay?
Apaan? Really apaan?
What country do you prefer, Israel or Palestine?
Wah, Israel. Penjajah.
Yeah.
Penjajah lu. Emang
Oh,
dasar lu
Israel.
tukang serobot tanah orang. Oh, very good dah. Is there rambutan tree? Ada pun rambutan sono ya. Israel, penjajah. Can you say my name?
Sempak kendor. Sempak kendor.
Iya, sempak kendor.
Oh,
Iya, repeat after me. Sempak kendor.
sempak kendor.
Iya, very good.
Yay.
Wih,
Good for
sempak kendor mamam lu, gue kerjain. Oh,
So, do you like Ariana Grande?
Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
Oh, Ariana Grande. Singer.
She's beautiful.
She's beautiful. Yeah, but I like Gombloh. Do you know Gombloh?
No.
Di radio aku dengar lagu kesayanganmu. Yeah. Like that, the song.
Want to learn how to say in your language? I have a little I'm sorry. I have a little brother.
I have a little brother.
Yeah.
Tuh, I write in the chat.
Aku Yahudi
Yeah, Yahudi penjajah.
penjajah.
Iya, aku Yahudi penjajah.
Aku Yahudi penjajah.
Iya, that's very good. Aduh, mantap. Bang, Israel ya, Bang?
I'm from Israel, yes.
Israel ente, Bang. What do you sell?
Look. This is my shop.
Oh, your shop. Arinda, Bang, satu.
Look. Everything.
Arinda ada gak sama perutang?
You love Palestine or Israel?
Israel. penjajah.
nice. Good,
Israel
good.
penjajah, Israel tukang
Yeah,
ngambil tanah orang.
yeah,
Israel penjajah,
nice, nice.
penjajah.
You want this? Look,
Apa itu? What is that? Kurma.
it's a it's majul.
Majul. Kurma in my
Majul.
country. Ya.
Majul.
Majul.
Yeah.
Majul ada
Yeah.
majul, ada mundul. Mundul. Do you know mundul? Majul.
Mundul, what is mundul?
Majul is going forward. Mundul is going reverse.
You want kinder?
Sawadikap.
Sorry.
Oh, ada orang Thailand. You from Thailand? Ipo. Oh, your pipi very chubby. Your pipi very chubby. Iya, your pipi very chubby itu. My name is Datsakontong Setan.
Huh?
Datsakontong Setan. Do you like cupang?
Bang.
Cupang, beta fish. Beta fish. Do you know beta fish gak? Iya, I know Terasil Dangda. Do you know Terasil Dangda?
คืออะไรวะ
Terasil Dangda, Sirasuka,
อ๋อลอง
Kosim, Aita Tataradanakol, Kosim, terus apa lagi? Sucai Nutnum. Do you know Sucau Nutnum? Aduh, dulu main di Persib pernah. Are you a follower of Buddha?
แปลว่าอะไรวะ
You Buddha apa bukan sih? Do you know Kera Sakti? Kera apa bahasa Inggris sih? Monkey Sakti super power.
สามพ่อ
Super power monkey. You don't know ya? Tong Samcong. Do you know Tong Samcong? Sama siapa lagi dah tuh yang jadi babi? Siapa dah? Patkai. Cupatkai.
อ๋อ
Cupatkai. Sunggokong. Seekor kera terkurung terpenjara dalam gua di gunung tinggi sunyi tempat hukuman para dewa bertindak sesuka hati loncat ke sana ke sini hilangkan semua beban dari muka bumi ini. Halo.
Oh,
You from Kazakhstan.
the
Oh iya, speak Ruski ya, iya. Speak English gak?
Ruski?
Can you speak English gak?
Нет. Так, so.
Oh, so bakso. You from Kazakhstan. What's your name? Sampai namanya.
Эльвира?
Mira.
Да.
Where is Diana? What?
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Bihun Toprak.
Контопрак?
Tuh. Kayak Korea mukanya ya. Halo, Bang.
Nihao.
How are you, Bang? Good, Bang.
Aslan.
Speak English gak, Bang?
Чуть-чуть.
Just little.
What is the name? I'm from Kazakhstan.
Oh, you from Kazakhstan.
Yes.
Yeah, you speak Rusia.
Да.
Oh, I cannot speak Rusia. Я не понимаю. Gitu, Bang.
Ты не понимаешь, да?
Dia разумеем, Bang.
А я, по-твоему, English не понимаю.
Oh, you don't understand English. Aduh, itu kalau ketawa matanya hilang kayak gua. Puas hati England kalah. Cantik nih. Uzbekistan. Hello.
Hello.
I'm good. How about you? Aduh.
Fine.
What are you eating tuh? Apa? Bubble gum.
Yeah.
Oh, bubble gum. Ya. What's your name? Siapa namanya? Cakep juga itu.
Idea.
Fan-
And you?
Fania.
Maria.
Oh, Maria. Yeah, my name is Granita.
Granita.
Granita. Granita.
Granita.
Yeah, you from Uzbek.
How old are you?
I am 23. You?
21.
21. Wah, you college student. Aduh, kabut lagi dah. You are a student. Waduh, you coughing. Pelan-pelan, batuk nanti itu. You look, kelihatan. You are so friend. Russia. No, I cannot speak Russia. Just привет aja. Привет gitu. You speak Russia ya? Uzbekistan speak Russia.
Ya.
Oh, pantesan.
50-50.
50-50. The other 50 speak what?
Uzbek.
Oh, Uzbekistan has their own language. And the half is Russian. What are you doing? You ask me. Oh, I'm just learning my English. Practicing my English. I'm chatting with foreign people like you from Uzbekistan, and the other from the Poland, from the Russia. Just to practice my English. Is it good, my English, or bad? Because many people don't understand what I'm speaking about.
I understand.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Oh, good deh, good. You very friendly and very beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Maria.